Hey everyone, it's Walter, and welcome to the channel. Today, we're on a mission to discover the power of food for optimal health. We all know that eating right can make us feel amazing, but did you know it can transform your health from the inside out? We're not talking about restrictive diets here. We're talking about embracing whole, nutrient-rich foods that nourish your body and mind. Throughout this series, we'll be your guide. I am exploring the incredible benefits of some of nature's most potent foods. Get ready to unlock a world of flavor. Discover how simple changes to your plate can lead to a healthier, happier you. So buckle up, grab your grocery list, and let's embark on this delicious journey together. Are you ready to dive in? Let's go. First, we're talking about the rock stars of the vegetable kingdom, leafy greens. Think spinach, kale, collard greens, and Swiss chard. These nutritional powerhouses are bursting with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants your body craves. We're talking about a powerhouse of vitamins like A, C, and K, essential for everything from strong bones to a healthy immune system. And don't forget the minerals. Leafy greens are packed with iron for energy, magnesium for muscle function, and calcium for strong bones. But that's not all. Leafy greens are also an excellent source of fiber, which is crucial for a healthy gut, and can even help regulate blood sugar levels. And here's a bonus. They're naturally low in calories and fat, making them perfect for maintaining a healthy weight. Add a handful of spinach to your morning smoothie for a nutritional boost. Toss some kale into your salads for a satisfying crunch. Or sauté some collard greens with garlic and olive oil for a delicious and healthy side dish. Get creative in the kitchen. You can even sneak leafy greens into sauces, soups, and stews without compromising flavor. Trust me, your body will thank you for it. Remember, a healthy diet rich in leafy greens is like giving your body a daily dose of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It's like investing in a long-term health insurance plan, so make leafy greens a staple in your diet and experience the incredible benefits. Now let's talk about those little bursts of flavor and health berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, blackberries. These vibrant gems are delicious and nutritional powerhouses. One of the standout features of berries is their high antioxidant content. What are antioxidants? Think of them as your body's natural defense against damage from harmful molecules called free radicals. Free radicals can wreak havoc on our cells, contributing to aging and even chronic diseases, but fear not, berries are here to save the day. Their potent antioxidants help neutralize these free radicals, protecting your cells and promoting overall well-being. Studies have even linked berry consumption to improved heart health, brain function, and reduced risk of certain cancers. Vitamin C, for instance, is abundant in berries, boosting your immune system and protecting your skin from damage. And let's not forget about fiber, which aids digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. The best part? Berries are incredibly versatile and easy to incorporate into your diet. Enjoy them fresh as a snack, add them to your breakfast yogurt or oatmeal, or blend them into smoothies for a refreshing and nutritious treat. Feeling adventurous in the kitchen? Try incorporating berries into baked goods, sauces, or even savory dishes for a unique and healthy twist. Remember, a handful of berries a day can go a long way in supporting your health and well-being. So, embrace the power of these tiny but mighty fruits, and enjoy the delicious benefits they offer. Let's talk about nuts and seeds. These little guys are nutritional powerhouses. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds, the whole gang's here. They're packed with good things that'll fuel your body correctly, full of healthy fats that help your heart and brain. Monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats lower bad cholesterol. Your heart will thank you. Nuts and seeds are a great source of plant-based protein, essential for building tissues and keeping you full. Loaded with fiber, a superhero for your gut. Fiber helps keep things moving smoothly. One of the best things about nuts and seeds is their versatility. Enjoy them as a quick snack, or incorporate them into your meals. Sprinkle chia seeds on oatmeal, add walnuts to your salad, or blend almonds into a smoothie. Portion control is key. Nuts are calorie-dense, so enjoy them in moderation. Stick to a serving size of about a quarter cup. Opt for unsalted or lightly salted nuts. Too much sodium can affect blood pressure. Enjoy the flavor and health benefits. Nuts and seeds are a powerful addition to your diet. Incorporate them daily for a healthier you. Let's talk about fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, sardines, tuna, which are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are essential fats our bodies can't produce, so we need them in our diet. They support brain health, heart health, and reduce inflammation. Omega-3s improve memory, focus, and mood-proper brain food. They also lower triglycerides, reduce blood pressure, and decrease blood clot risks. But the benefits of omega-3s don't stop there. They have potent anti-inflammatory properties, reducing inflammation throughout the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to health problems like heart disease, cancer, and arthritis. The American Heart Association recommends 2 servings of fatty fish per week. Eating fish doesn't have to be boring. There are many delicious ways to prepare it. Fatty fish is a delicious and nutritious way to fuel your body and mind. Let's talk about carbs, the good guys, whole grains. Quinoa, brown rice, oats, whole wheat bread nutritional powerhouses. Whole grains contain the entire grain kernel, bran, germ, and endosperm. Each part provides essential nutrients. The bran is packed with fiber, a rock star for digestion. The germ is loaded with B vitamins, vitamin E, minerals, and antioxidants. Whole grains are a foundation for health. They provide essential carbohydrates and protein. Carbohydrates are our body's primary energy source. Choose whole grains for added nutrients. Start with simple swaps like whole wheat bread and brown rice. Opt for oatmeal over sugary cereals. Quinoa is great for salads. Oats can be used in smoothies and baked goods. Whole grains are key to a balanced diet. Avocados, guys, are they a fruit or a veggie? Honestly, who cares? They're delicious, versatile, and packed with healthy fats. We're talking about the good kind of fat, the monounsaturated kind that helps lower harmful cholesterol levels. And trust me, your heart will thank you for that. Keeping your heart healthy is like laying the foundation for a strong, healthy you. And avocados are like those little bricks that keep building you up. But wait, there's more. Avocados are also loaded with fiber, which keeps you feeling full and satisfied. That means fewer cravings and less snacking on unhealthy stuff. Let's talk about those healthy fats again because they're essential, especially the monounsaturated kind found in avocados. These fats are like the VIPs of the nutrient world, helping your body absorb other essential vitamins like A, D, E, and K. Think of it like this. You're taking a multivitamin, but without those healthy fats, your body can't fully absorb all the goodness. Avocados help unlock the full potential of your healthy diet. They're like the key that unlocks the door to a healthier you. And remember, healthy fats don't make you fat. They can help you manage your weight by keeping you full and satisfied. They provide sustained energy so you're not hitting that mid-afternoon slump. So go ahead, embrace the avocado. Add it to your smoothies, your sandwiches, or grab a spoon and enjoy it straight up. Your body will thank you for it. Now let's talk about a group of vegetables that pack a serious nutritional punch: cruciferous vegetables. The name might sound intimidating, but trust me, these veggies are your friends. We're talking about broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, kale, cabbage, all those green powerhouses. What makes them so unique? They contain compounds called glucosinolates, which have been linked to cancer-fighting properties. These veggies are like little warriors, helping your body fight off those nasty free radicals that can damage cells and lead to disease. But their superpowers don't stop there. Cruciferous vegetables are also packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making them nutritional all-stars. They support digestion, boost your immune system, and even help with detoxification. It's not just about adding a side of broccoli to your plate, it's about understanding these vegetables' incredible power and making them a regular part of your diet. Think of it as adding another layer of protection to your health, like an invisible shield against disease. And here's a pro tip: don't overcook your cruciferous veggies. They're best enjoyed lightly steamed, roasted, or even eaten raw. This helps preserve their nutritional content and keeps that satisfying crunch. One of my favorite ways to enjoy cruciferous vegetables is to roast them with olive oil, salt, and pepper. The high heat brings out their natural sweetness, creating a delicious caramelized flavor. Remember, eating healthy doesn't have to be boring. With a bit of creativity and a willingness to try new things, you can enjoy delicious food that nourishes your body from the inside out. Let's talk about another powerhouse food group often overlooked: legumes. We're talking about lentils, beans, chickpeas are little nutritional powerhouses packed with protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. One of the best things about legumes is that they're incredibly versatile. You can add them to soups, stews, salads, or even use them as a base for veggie burgers. They're like chameleons in the kitchen, adapting to any flavor profile and adding a boost of nutrition to every bite. And let's not forget about their excellent health benefits. Legumes are known for their heart-healthy properties, helping to lower cholesterol and regulate blood sugar levels. They're also a great source of plant-based protein, making them an excellent choice for vegetarians, vegans, and anyone looking to incorporate more plant-based meals into their diet. One of the things I love most about legumes is that they're incredibly affordable and accessible. They're a budget-friendly way to add a healthy dose of nutrition to your meals without breaking the bank. And here's a pro tip: If you're new to legumes, start by gradually incorporating them into your diet. Try adding a small amount to your favorite soup or stew, or experiment with different types of beans and salads. Another great way to enjoy legumes is to make your hummus. It's a delicious and healthy snack or spread that's packed with protein and fiber. So there you have it. Legumes, the unsung heroes of the plant-based world. Add them to your plate and experience the delicious and nutritious benefits for yourself. Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here, and let's talk about citrus fruits. They're like little balls of sunshine, bursting with flavor and, more importantly, vitamin C. Vitamin C is crucial for a healthy immune system but does much more than fight off colds. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant, meaning it helps protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. These free radicals are like little troublemakers in your body that can lead to inflammation and even chronic diseases. Think of vitamin C as your bodyguard, shielding your cells from these harmful attackers. It also plays a crucial role in collagen production, keeping your skin youthful and radiant. So, next time you're at the grocery store, load up on oranges, lemons, grapefruits, or any other citrus fruit that catches your eye. Now, how can you incorporate more citrus into your diet? It's pretty simple. Start your day with a refreshing glass of freshly squeezed orange or grapefruit juice. The natural sugars will give you an energy boost, and the vitamin C will set you up for a healthy day. If you're looking for a quick snack, grab an orange, or a couple of tangerines. They're easy to peel and pack a powerful nutritional punch. And don't forget about lemons and limes. A squeeze of lemon juice can brighten up your water, salads, or even your favorite dishes. Get creative in the kitchen and experiment with different citrus flavors. You can add orange slices to your yogurt or oatmeal, make a refreshing grapefruit salad, or even grill some lemons for a smoky, tangy flavor. Remember, the key to a healthy diet is variety. So, embrace the rainbow of colors nature provides, especially the vibrant hues of citrus fruits. Let's dive into green tea, a beverage enjoyed for centuries for its numerous health benefits. Green tea contains antioxidants, those excellent compounds that protect your cells from damage. One of the most potent antioxidants in green tea is called EGCG, and studies have shown that it may have potent cancer-fighting properties. While more research is constantly being done, it's clear that incorporating green tea into your routine can positively impact your health. But the benefits don't stop there. Green tea has also been linked to improved brain function, including better memory and focus. So, if you're feeling mentally drained, a cup of green tea might be just what you need to sharpen your mind. And for those looking to shed a few pounds, green tea can be your new best friend. It contains compounds that can boost metabolism and help burn fat more effectively. You might be thinking, green tea is excellent, but how do I make it a regular part of my life? Well, it's easier than you think. Start by swapping out your sugary drinks with unsweetened green tea. It's a simple change that can make a big difference in your health. Experiment with different varieties of green tea to find one that you enjoy. There's matcha, sencha, genmaicha, and so many more, each with its unique flavor profile. Depending on your preference and the weather, you can enjoy it hot or cold. If you're feeling adventurous, try incorporating green tea into your cooking. You can use it to make smoothies, sauces, or even desserts. The possibilities are endless. Remember, consistency is vital when reaping the benefits of green tea. Aim for at least 1 to 2 cups daily, and you'll be well on your way to a healthier and happier you. That's a wrap on our journey through some of the world's healthiest foods. I hope you've enjoyed learning about these foods' incredible benefits. Remember, what you eat profoundly impacts your overall health and well-being. By incorporating more fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and other nutrient-rich foods into your diet, you're giving your body the tools it needs to thrive. So, make healthy choices, listen to your body, and enjoy the journey to optimal health. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and inspiration. Stay healthy and see you next time.